Hi guys, what is this? Okay. To survive, you gotta choose a character, okay? Oh, no. What is this? What is this? I'm supposing one of the... Well, I know the lava is more clear. I mean, the TNT is more clear. So I'm gonna go with this one. Yes, correct. First sign. Okay, no. Wait, did I just slime? Oh no. Anyways. So, wait, what? Okay. First sign will come out right if you're stupid or not. Don't place on. I'm spelling the same well, okay. I am stupid or I am not. There. Press if not instead of more. Actually, I kind of changed my mind. I don't know. Am I stupid? I mean, I am. A little bit. No, I'm not. I'm not. What? Is there something else? What's this? Okay. Okay, but there was a book too, I see. Okay, what's in here? Press a no. What happened if I press it? Oh, so it would have killed me. Ow, that actually hurt. Okay, let's... Wait, no, okay. Press the button next to the door. Sure. What's this? Does this even give you something? No. Oh, okay, that's fine. Press if you have permission from book. I mean, did too, so... I guess I have to wear up this gear. Let's fight. I don't even have to fight to get the item. Come on. No. Oh, come on. It's okay. I can do this. It's pretty easy to fight a slime, right? I mean, not that easy. Sometimes, but sometimes it's very, very easy. Ooh, I didn't even get that much damage. Well, that was easier than I expected. It's in here. Wait, I just did that for nothing? Wait, there has to be something. Wait, that just came. What is this? Was this our present? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. It's signed by the rabbit. I think you guys should get one of those. I'm gonna make a recipe. I'm gonna tell you how to go. But this one, you're not gonna get assigned one. I mean, you can comment down below. I made your shirt, which is pink dyed, and just call it the rabbit. And if you have subscribed and asked me, I will tell you. You have permission to write that it's signed by me, because like I signed it. I saw you. So you guys, you can get one for your own. And that just had nothing. So anyways, did you like this map? So I'll show you. It wasn't that far because I did something that you guys, I'll tell what it. Okay, I wasn't really much of a furry YouTuber right there. I mean, it's not clickbait exactly. It's more like a roleplay, and you guys are supposed to know it's it, like I made it, and obviously I'm not gonna fail. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, wait. This is supposed to be wet. This is supposed to be wet. What's happening? Okay, I just died. Not responding. Wait, what? I just spawned up. There. This shit is gonna keep dying. Okay. Well, we're pretty okay with that. It's not clickbait, I promise. It was more of a roleplay. And please, I hope you guys liked it. Because, it actually didn't take that long as I thought it would. Well, it took me a lot of effort. I actually never did something like this in my life. I don't want to end up this video by going to survival. As you can see, what's this? Okay, as you can see, I I'm going to create survival a lot, just so I will make this. And I was testing it out a lot. Wait, what? No. It was pretty fun to do. But if you guys want it to be like fully, there's nothing. Okay, let's just kill myself. Wait, this is so funny. It's so weird. It's just kidding, guys. Oh, it's not funny. Wait, what? My bed doesn't start or something. Well, I think we ended that pretty nice. You guys, let me make you my goodbye wave. That creeper didn't even kill me. By the way, thanks for dirt, creeper. I got some dirt now. Isn't that just awesome, you guys? Come on, let me break. I can't even break. What? Well, yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed. And yeah. There we go. So yeah, this was my roleplay team. But it was a pretty fun map, to be honest. But I think one day I could do better, like tomorrow. I can't hold something right now. Okay, anyway, bye guys.